Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do our mini Mondays, our minis. We're gonna try to get this done quick before we have to go to work. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Today we're going to do our mini Mondays. Try to do it as quick as possible because I am up a little early on Monday before we have to go to work. So we're going to start out with our challenges. All right. I have 8 challenges here. We left off on number 6 last time. I'm going to try to get this done as quick as possible. So I'm going to roll a D3 die, and then whatever the number says, that's how many bills. I have 51 here, and we'll just get started. How was everybody's weekend? Mine was kind of chaotic. My children were acting crazy. Hopefully we can finish a couple of these today. And I want to thank everybody for all the new subscribers. I don't have too much going on at the moment. Just trying to survive the weekend, really. And the chaos that I get to go through at work today. And we're almost out. Now I have $2 more, and you will get them. So I will move my paperclip to number 5. All right, I'll hurry up. All right, and then I do have $50 in buyback cash. So we'll see where we need that. All right, so challenge number 1 is from Norella's Budgets, and it got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and $7 today. We just need 5 more to finish that one. And in total, we have saved 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, we'll go ahead and swap that out as well. Okay. And challenge number 2 is our 30 envelope challenge helper. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll go ahead and cross off one of the 5s. Let's see. This one has saved us so far 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we're almost there to 21 for this card. These are in my Etsy. I have a bundle of 4. So you get a 30 envelope, a 50, a 52, and a 100 envelope. That way it can make saving those bigger denominations a little bit easier. So this one is from Buttercup Budgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got $8 today. Say 2, 4, 6, and 8. These are pretty good savers for me so far. And so far, this one has saved us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll just go ahead. I think I have one more 10. There we go. All right, and challenge number 4. I have my other 20 envelope or 30 envelope helper in here, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. I'm trying to get this 30 envelopes done as fast as possible. So we are at 5. We're at 5, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And then challenge number 5 is from Budget with Amanda, and it got $3 today. So we'll just color in the little 3. And then total so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And challenge number 6. All right, that one is from Boss Babe Budgets. This one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I would say that's the big winner today. We'll take 5. And this one altogether, we have saved so far 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. About halfway done with that one. And almost done. Number 7 is, I think we're going to finish this one today. This one is also from Boss Babe Budgets, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No, we need that one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, perfect. So I can keep this one off over to the side. All right, so altogether from Boss Babe Budgets, it saved us 25, 30, 31, and $32. That is awesome. All right, since we have one more left, we'll see what this one is, and if I could use that dollar to finish this one up, we will do that. All right, so this one is from me. It's on my coffee shop. So this one saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it says, behind every good woman is a lot of chickens. And I do have a lot of chickens. All right, so we saved 6 and we needed 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Swap that out. And this one has saved us 5, 10, 15, and 20. Love it. We have finished 2 challenges today. I'm excited. So we need 2 new challenges. All right, so we have 2 challenges here. We have one from Divine Savings Co. and one from Budgeting with Lisa. We will start these, I think, since these are 2s, I will move that dollar over so we can cross that one off for number 7. And then this one we'll get started next week with our Baby It's Warm Outside. All right, and so we have 2 finished challenges. We'll put our dollar in our All right, so we have 2 fitness savings challenges. I will put my dollar in here. All right, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.